Hey kitties, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm CUTICLE18 and I love nails. To all my returning subscribers, hey, what's up? So today we're just going to do a real quick organization video. And if you do nails, love nails, nail tech, nail artist, whatever it is, you already know. We organize over and over and over, okay? So this is like the 1000th time that I have organized my nail space, and I'm going to do it again. And the crazy part is, after this video, I changed my setup yet again. So don't worry, we will do a tour soon. But so you guys can see where we are or where I am. I've done so many organizations and revamps to my nail space. It's crazy. A lot of my clients are like, girl, for example, you'll see me organizing those nail polishes on that bottom drawer, and then you will see it change again, and then maybe again, and again, and again. So just organize with me real quick, and just stay tuned. I'm gonna do a quiet video, so um, yeah, I'll see you at the end of the video. Okay, bye. So yeah, guys, this is it. This is what my space is looking like. It's not huge, it's not perfect, but I like it. I love it. And yeah, it did switch up again. And I will do an updated like actual room tour for you guys because I did switch things around. But I mean, so far so good. I might actually switch it back to this view. We'll see. We'll see. But yeah, tell me what you guys think. I love organizing and organizing and reorganizing and then reorganizing my reorganization. Yep, that's me. And I know I'm not alone. So all my other nail peoples, nail kitties, let me know in the comment section below. I know I'm not the only person that does this. Okay. But yeah, like I said, it has changed since then, and I will definitely do a like nail room tour or whatever for you guys. But yep, that's it. That's all. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with everyone and anyone. And like I always tell you guys, stay safe, stay blessed, stay prayed up. Oh, and if you really like this video, please let me know in the comment section below so I can just make some more for you guys. Okay? Yeah. So yeah, until next time. Bye, kitties.